As we go down now to call upon the teams, you can see those two here, third division will have that confidence, but this is a time where he'll have to go in and save the team from the all-last whistle to the Vasco Vipers. It should be Prince Daya starting off the proceedings. Yes, it is. And one Prince on the mat, the other, of course, in the commentary box. I should not be saying that's me, Naveen Shauri. I think that is Navneet alongside with me. Hi, Navneet.
Oh, thank you so much, नवीन। पल्ली टस्कर्स और वास्को वाइपर्स और प्रिंस की बात करें तो हमारे साथ है नवीन, 22 years old और
First duo raid of the match. And this is nice to see where you don't have Prince Daya walking in. Very good homework. Sachin Joginder comes in, the second raider of the team. He's trying to get the bonus point, and Saktivel Thangavelu will not allow that. He's trying to go for the toe touch, and there! The Ganga River is just outside the stadium. I think he was trying to dive in from here.
जी हाँ, फिर से एक बार हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे। एक डाइव था और इस डाइव में कुछ खास जोश।
Where two division winners are clashing up against each other. Harish Kamachi walks in for a do-or-die raid. He always takes up this challenge. No bonus on available. The captain of Pali Tuskers goes for the back kick. Doesn't get anything. The defense now need to just keep it together. Vasco Vipers, you are very close to getting your first point against the Tuskers. Harish Kamachi can fool you. He can give you the feel that he's going to get caught. But look at this. What an escape. Massive win.
Number 11.
As I said, he will just try and flummox you, trying to give you the feel that he is in no position to escape. And Sachin falling in for that prey. He just went in so close. And that sit-up escape. Brilliant, Harish Kamachi. Still Vasco Vipers.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल, क्या शानदार डुबकी थी। और अभी पूरे भारतवर्ष के लोग प्रयागराज में डुबकी लगा रहे थे। 3-0 यहाँ पे लीड और प्रिंस दैया को 3 पॉइंट चाहिए नवीन, 100 अंक पूरा करने के लिए।
I think he will be really elated to do that, but he was breaking the chain. But yeah, the direction was completely wrong. It shouldn't have been towards the lobbies. It should have been not a right start from Vasco Vipers. That's why I said this is a David versus Goliath match. Even though Vasco Vipers are the Division 3 winners in the Edition 11, yeah, that had its own question marks. And there, Bhargav does what the Vasco Vipers wanted him to do. Saves out. And his way, and the captain saving the team. And Navneet, it is so important to actually highlight this. These are the pool matches, and they will be playing them twice in one pool. So after this match, Vasco Vipers will have another match with Palni Tusker. Super tackle situation, and we have seen Harish Kamachi get tackled out many times. Ankle hold was nice. Is there a jersey pulling? No, it's a super tackle. Harish Kamachi will be appealing, saying that my jersey was pulled. But the jersey pull does not aid in the tackle. The ankle hold was very firm from the defender there at that left corner. Yeah, there you see the ankle hold was very, very firm from Gaurav. Once again, he went in, saved the team from the all-out during his raid, and now a super tackle. And Navneet, Harish Kamachi. Now, it should have been Gaurav in this raid, not the other one. Come on, fabulous double thigh hold from that right flank. It should have been Gaurav on this raid, Navneet, isn't it?
जी हाँ, ये जो छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स होती है इनसे बचना होगा। 7 और 4 का स्कोर अभी भी है। सिर्फ 2 खिलाड़ी। वास्को वाइपर्स लगातार यहाँ पे स्ट्रगल करती हुई, और क्या वहाँ टच हुआ है? शायद हुआ है, बिल्कुल हुआ है।
Yeah, see, this is where he comes in as a raider, isn't it? He comes in at situations where, and he's targeted Gaurav. The man who saved Vasco Vipers from the all-out, he's gone in, kick. Oh, that's big. That's big on the tummy. That's big on the midriff. And he says sorry as well, Saktivel Thangavelu, being a raider as well. But he's not a full-time raider. I like about that aspect of Saktivel Thangavelu, Navneet. He does not go all out on raiding. He just plays within himself. As Bhargav now comes in, I think another time. Vasco Vipers escape the all-out. This is the second time that the all-out has been averted from the Vasco. Their combination working really, really well in the division rounds, because both of them have reached 3 finals, and the victories between them is massive. Super tackle situation again. Harish Kamachi once again trying to escape, and he escapes. That's the all out. He lowered the right corner in for the ankle hold, and the all out is finally inflicted by the Polony Tuskers. I think this first all out, Navneet, I think they will dedicate this to one man, and before that, it is India 1 star moment of the match. This all out that has been inflicted. Yeah, there we go. But I think this first all out, I think they will probably want to dedicate this to their coach, and one of their coach, I should say, Ilavarasan, because he just got married. Had to accept that one. But hang on, where is Prince Daya? What's happening? After the all-in, Prince Daya does not come into raid. And this is the right time for the Vipers that they need their premium raider to be going in. And they're going in with Sachin Joginder, and again the right cover Zera. So way ahead. All my years, very, very close to Ilavarasan because he's such a soft-spoken person. As again, Stanley Pakiraj, back hold doesn't work. And the left corner once again commits the error. Couple of more points here for the Rampaging Elephants. Yeah, it's a super raid. First one for the Polony Tuskers in this UA All-Stars Championship 2025. It's a super raid, of course, but the super coach, Ilavarasan. Navneet, tell me something. For a soft-spoken person like that, in a married life, what is it going to be if you're going to tackle the situations? There are many super tackles. There are many do-or-die raids that's coming in Ilavarasan's life. Navneet, I think both of them are out of the lobby. It's each 1 point for me. But Navneet, your experiences on a soft-spoken person.
Number 1 and 11 out.
Charging against him. And now comes in Prince Daya. Now, why are they hiding Prince Daya? That should not be the case for the Vasco Vipers. They need to let this Viper out. He knows to sting. He knows to get those points. There against Abhi Kumar. He's trying to make sure that the attack comes in, but the left corner. Chain tackle puts him down. Prince Daya still not able to open his account, Navneet. That's all.
जी हाँ, डू और डाई 18 और 9 का स्कोर। सिर्फ 2 मिनट का खेल यहाँ बचा है। 6 खिलाड़ी हैं, पूरे मौजूद है और वास्को वाइपर्स के लिए भार्गव आए हैं। ये गैप जो है नवीन, जितना कम होगा उतना बेहतर। यहाँ पे मध्य रेखा क्रॉस हुआ है, 1 पॉइंट मिला है। और क्या
I mean, I really want to say that if you're distracted, you're dead. That's it. On the Kabaddi mat, they were distracted with something and they are dead. The Vasco Vipers on that raid.
आप हो जाएंगे डेड।
Yeah. Yeah, that's a new term. I did not want to go
Yes.
with the casual and casualty because that is done already.
हाँ, यस, क्योंकि ये
Yeah,
जो
so that's why I
सीजन
wanted to
है
go
युवा
with
ऑल स्टार
distraction.
चैंपियनशिप,
Yeah.
Raider out.
I think the Raider has been dashed out. That's nice. Put in. Now that's also very, very interesting to watch out. On the Kabaddi mat, played very, very well. And the Indian Railways, thank you so much for picking that talent from the Yuva Kabaddi Series mat to offer him a job in the Indian coaches factory. As this is a do-or-die raid, Navneet, for the Vipers.
एब्सोल्युटली डू और डाई रेड। और हम बात कर रहे थे भाइयों की, तो नवीन मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है, आपका सवाल मैं थोड़ी देर में पूछूंगा। यहाँ पर भार्गव 54 नंबर के खिलाड़ी पकड़े गए हैं और मेरा सवाल ये था नवीन कि आप भाइयों की चर्चा कर रहे हैं, क्या आपके कोई
Goes out with an empty raid. Yeah, Sanjeevi, that's the man I'm talking about. But if you look at right in, that's the man who's the younger brother trying to hold the fort for his elder brother Sanjeevi. And look at the elder brother, what he does. Saktivel Tangavelu from that left flank comes in with a chain. He was left high and dry. No hunts today. So that's why. Over.
जी हाँ, एक बार फिर से ऐसा नजर आ रहा है कि वास्को वाइपर्स फिर से एक बार ऑल आउट की तरफ जा रही है। आसानी से यहाँ पे पॉइंट दिया है और शक्तिवेल को ओ ओ ओ ये क्या हुआ
This
है?
is thinking at his real best. Double ankle hold. Can he pull him out? No, he can't. Shanmugavel has pulled out. India 1 star moment of the match. Yes, it's an all out. But I'll tell you on that right corner. And so many big right corners. I don't see why the Palni Tuskers. Of course, Ramesh, he will have something else to come in. Ankle hold! Saktivel Tagavelu.
1 point.
That's it.
Palni Tuskers.
That's the dreadful ankle hold coming in against Sachin. And no escaping from that one. Oh, that's powerful. That's really powerful.
Red.
And I'll tell you what, I don't think so Dan was intelligent. If they were, I don't think so they would be extinct. They would have survived anything. They would have survived the volcanoes, they would have survived the evolution, they would have survived the earth trying to change its course. But here,
Runner out. 1 point.
Sachin.
Vasco Vipers.
from that right corner, trying to change the course of. He's got all the anti skills going his way, isn't it? The anti turn, the anti blocks. The Raider wants to turn, he has an anti turn. The Raider wants to block, he has an anti block skill. Saktivel Tagavelu. Yeah, that's really nice to see that. Sandeep, back hold! That's it! Strong,
Runner out.
strong back hold.
1 point. Vasco Vipers.
Can the Vasco Vipers try and get the. That's the first time I think we will be seeing that player, new player. Sandeep also is the first time representation for him on the Yuva mat. And yeah, he would have wanted to do really well, trying to attract
1 point.
some attention
Vasco
from the right
Vipers.
cover.
Number 11 out.
Not to be. Yeah, see, because when you only have, say, 17 losses, I'm pretty sure Hampi Heroes have got more losses. Yeah. The win percentage is a big one for the Tuskers, that's for sure. No doubt about it at all. He's struggling, Bhargav. He was really struggling to
Runner out.
escape.
1 point.
Watch out,
Palni
watch out.
Tuskers.
Let the advertising hoardings fall, Bhargav. That's not important. Your safety is important to us. As a player, don't get injured. The dash was so strong. A solo dash that came. So many. Karnan, of course. Karnan Aya from Madurai. Yeah, he's a Madurai man. Puvai, of course, we know what he can do from the university that he comes from. There are so many people. And the grassroots is so strong for these players in the Tamil Nadu circuit. That the university like Wales, like Pesset, everybody has kabaddi teams, like cricket teams. Oh, that's a massive jump from
Palni
Shanmugavel.
Tuskers. Number 45
And the
out.
second most important factor is, you know what? Navneet Tuskers. See, we've seen
Oh,
Stromy
the team is
Sudhakar,
the
we've seen
superstar.
Sanjeevi. That's it. Yeah, I mean, no, I'm saying they don't play as, I am the man. I will go ahead and do everything. That is not there. Say when you will see Yuva
Runner
Mumba
out.
coming out,
1 point. Palni
you will see
Tuskers.
more of Lokesh Gosalia. That is where for me. It's not that Lokesh Gosalia wants to dominate the others. It's just because the others are not performing. But look at Palni Tuskers. You can count the number of coaches. Super tackle. He's my trip. Super tackle for the Vasco Vipers.
Super tackler.
Strong one.
2 points.
And
Vasco
of course,
Vipers.
Sandeep, he just needs to work on his skills even more and more. Yeah, he's my trip super tackle. Sandeep, I think Sanjeevi and Ramesh, both of them won't be happy with this performance. You just need to do more, my friend, here. Double thigh hold from Praveen. Nice one. So, there are many.
युक्ति के साथ आपने हमें बताया कि पलनी में वो क्या खास है.
Correct. But hang on. The Vasco Vipers have pulled out something
Vasco Vipers.
unbelievable.
Number 10.
It's India 1, star moment of the match. It's a 4-point raid. It's a first 4-pointer in the Yuva Stars Championship 2025. And the Tuskers have just taken it too lightly. Wait, hang on. Who was that first person in that left corner? It's not Shaktivel Tangavelu. It's a substitute defender who's come in. Yeah, see, Navneet, another important. See, now Abhi is not a perfect right corner. Even though we are praising songs and singing, all the hunkars and jaikars for the Palni Tuskers, there is a bit of a hole in this one. Right corner, it is not Abhi Kumar. So that's the problem. 4 points given away. Even though the error came in from the left corner,
Number 7 out.
the right corner should have come in to support. But whatever that is said and done, it's a massive victory
Match
in the
over.
first one. You are all stars.
Into the rampaging world. 43 and 28. That is what the